Today we had the great pleasure of having a special session for our Career Services Workshop. We had career possibilities for TSoM students, and we featured a roundtable presentation of our TSoM Academic Managers. The purpose of today's session was to inform and inspire our TSoM students in terms of specific career possibilities that they can explore further as they're going about their program of study, to consider specific roles, positions, industries, employers, sectors that might spark their interest or curiosity that they would like to try for their co-op or for their future career. So we had Janki Shah, Gabriel Quiroz, Eddy Sulaiman, as well as Mahmood Khan, and our academic director, Nisha Naug, all sharing their personal career journeys with our students.
So the talks that we had today, they are very important for the students because many of them, they are new to Toronto and to Canada. And the job markets in Canada and Toronto, they are very different from other countries.
I think it's helpful because every time we attend this kind of career workshop, we get useful information and many useful advices.
For me, it's very important, the networking, and it's very important to hear a lot of information about the job market from people that know and they studied and they are specialists in this field.
Yeah, so we do encourage our TSoM students to engage in our TSoM Career Services workshops. We offer our workshops every Tuesday and Thursday from 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. Eastern. We are offering a hybrid format. Students can join on campus in room 507 or remotely via Zoom.